Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and this video is brought to you by Snipes and Adidas. Today we're going to be talking about the Adidas Astir silhouette in the white, pink, and yellow colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today, we're going to be talking about the Adidas Astir silhouette, and this is in the white, pink, and yellow colorway. This is just nice, fun, especially for those of you going and heading back to school. Definitely have to snag a pair of these. We're going to start off with the overview, jump into the size and fit of these, and then I'll talk about how I styled some pieces from Snipes and Adidas. So be sure to stick around for that segment, and then we'll conclude with how much these are going for on the retail market. So let's jump right into it. This specific sneaker was inspired by the 2000s. So basically when everything and anything was not too much, people and style definitely were all over the place, but I miss the 2000s. I love the style going on then. So I love that they're kind of going back through the archive to really be inspired by that generation in the 2020s. So let's start off with the upper of these. We've got this nice kind of bright pop of pearlescent white for the front of the upper. And then we've got hues of this pink as well as this nice kind of subtle yellow. As we work our way up, we have light white laces and then just some hues of this really pop of metallic silver, and it really just pops with that subtle Adidas logo that you've got on the front of the laces here. As we work our way up, we've got this nice patent leather design going on in this nice purple hue. Underneath, we've got a nice pastel pink colorway. Adidas is on top in black and more of that metallic silver for the rest of the messaging on the tongue. As we work our way up to the eyelets, you'll notice that we've got Adidas logos on top as well. They kind of look like records actually, which is kind of cool. And we've got that in a transparent clear colorway as well as that kind of navy purplish tone. We've also got it on the medial side of the sneaker as well. So let's take a look at those details and then move along to the side paneling. This sneaker is also made in part with recycled content, so definitely a sustainable sneaker. I love the fact that Adidas is always thinking of ways to really care about the environment. As we are on the medial side of the sneaker, we've got Adidas's logo subtly on the midsole here. We've got more white color tones as well as that pearlescent white on the meshing here. Working our way back, more of that kind of navy purplish tone, which works its way to the heel. And then we've got more metallic colorway that's really popping through this kind of nice meshing that's in black. As we go to the lateral side of the sneaker, we've got more yellow and navy patterns as well as more pearlescent white and just plain white leather on the side here, as well as some simplistic black meshing. The interior is in a navy and purple colorway, and then the sneaker is finished with just a white and black midsole and a black, white, and pink outsole. All right, let's take a look at all those last and final details. As far as sizing goes, I would say stick true to size in this one. I am a women's size 9. Again, this is actually in women's sizing. So for reference, men's sizing would be 7.5 for me, and women's, again, is just a size 9. I do have higher to narrow feet, so depending on whether or not you have flatter or wider feet, that could also differentiate a completely opposite size from myself, just because we have different types of feet. All right, so now let's jump into styling. So Snipes and Adidas have some amazing pieces that you can find online and in store from Adidas, and I just think that Adidas has such great pops of color going on throughout some of their clothing pieces that go perfect with this sneaker. So one of the first looks I wore was this really cool Love Uni tee dress. So this has some nice kind of 90s and 2000 color schemes going on here, nice pops of vibrant colorways, and it's got Love Unites all over this, and I just felt like the hues really match the sneaker perfectly. Second look, I also snagged a hoodie from Snipes and Adidas, and again, this is just a nice bright pop of pastel colorways that I think really match the sneaker to a T, specifically the navies and purples and yellows in this. So definitely I feel like these hues are perfect for the sneaker. I wore this with just a nice simple cream skirt. And as far as the last look, I wore a black zip up romper, and I think all black definitely goes quite nicely with this, makes the sneaker pretty much a standout shoe. So let me know down below what was your favorite look out of the three. You will definitely be able to find these in store online. I'll have links for those. So if you're interested in any of the Adidas pieces, be sure to check down in my description box for all of those links. All right, so now let's conclude with how much these are going for on the retail market. So these are extremely comfortable sneakers. This is definitely something I feel like that has a subtle pop of color, but definitely something you can coordinate throughout your wardrobe throughout the year. And of course, this has some nice EVA foam inside, so it makes these completely comfortable. These are going for a really good price point of $100. And again, you can find these at Snipes, and these are the Astir Adidas sneakers. All right, everyone, that's it for this unboxing and review. Thank you so much for tuning in. If this was your first time, hit that subscribe on your way out. If you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below and hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.